Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your network adapters drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to settings and type device manager. You have to type device manager here. Open device manager. Now go to window and here you can see the different type of drivers in the list. Maximize the window. Now you look for network adapters. As you can see here, network adapters here. Double click on it. Now we'll see the whole list of all the adapters here. So we will start from the first Bluetooth device personal area network. Right click on it and you can see the option update driver up here. Now click on search automatically for drivers. Now it will start searching and as you can see my Bluetooth network adapter is up to date. So you have to check for every single feature here. Go right click on it and click on update driver. So you get the latest driver resources from here. Click on search automatically for drivers. As you can see here my drivers are up to date. Now close this window. Again close this window. Now here you have to search for settings. Open the Windows bar and go to settings. As you can see here, click on settings. Now in the left panel you can see the last option here, Windows Update. As you can see Windows Update, click on here. Now click on check for updates for the latest driver updates on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So it will take a few seconds for checking up where your laptop have any new update or not. It will list you up for all the drivers of your laptop. Now it will take some few seconds. As you can see here, it started moving. You can download any update driver if this shows in this list. Okay, it's searching for the latest drivers. It will take 30 to 40 seconds to check whether you got or not any latest update or not. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. I will keep posting up with the latest and most essential tutorial videos for your Windows PC or laptop. Now you know how to check for updates, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.